Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. It's the 28th match in round one, and the scores are Central High on 13 points and Gaynstead High on 6 points. And just to let you know that the judges did accept the answer to the question, which Canadian rapper is featured on Rihanna's song Work, and Central did say Drake, which is acceptable. Okay, so let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will of course lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. Which prophet had a son named Mahar Shalal Hasbaz? Isaiah is the answer. Biology. What is the name of the specialized structure in snakes that helps give them their keen sense of smell? Jacobson's organ is the answer. English language. What is the term for the use of a word referring back to a word used earlier in a text or conversation to avoid repetition? It's an anaphora. International affairs, it's a visual question. Teams, please look at the screen and identify this person. It's Bidya Devi Badari, President of Nepal. Chemistry. What is the formula for titanium dioxide? That's TiO2. Music teams, it's an audio question. Please listen to the clip and give the title of the song. That's Take a Bow by Rihanna. General knowledge. Which Italian fashion house uses the head of a Medusa as its trademark? Gaynstead.
Versace
Is correct. Spanish. Which relation is El Padrastro? Gaynstead.
Stepfather
Is correct. Geography. Which is the largest sea in the world? Central.
Mediterranean Sea.
No, Arabian Sea is what we're looking for. Theatre and cinema, it's a visual question. Teams, look at the screen, please, and identify the person. Central.
Jennifer Lopez.
No, it's Paula Patton. Information technology. What is the name for the hardware device which connects the internet provider's coaxial cable to the computers of a home or business network via Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi? It's a cable modem router or router. History. What was the name of the French military leader who at the age of 17 took up arms to establish the rightful king on the French throne? That's Joan of Arc. And now mathematics. The cost of 5 liters of diesel is $10.25. What is the cost of 17 liters of the same diesel? It's $34.85. Physics. What is the weight of a girl of mass 60 kilograms, assuming that G equals 10 newtons per kilogram? $600 newtons is the answer. Sports. A visual question, teams. Look at the monitor, please, and identify this person. Central. Is correct. Jamaican heritage. What is the name of the only all-girls high school in Manchester? Gaynstead.
St. Hilda's.
No, it's Bishop Gibson High. And that's the final bell. So it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Central High on 11 points, Gaynstead High on 8 points. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.